Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you into Amazon.com and show you how to cancel your Prime membership if you no longer want to continue on with it. I'm going to take you into this video. I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Okay, what you want to do is open up your browser. I'm using Safari. You may have Chrome or Firefox if you're on a Mac. And so what you want to do is go up and type in Amazon.com at the address bar and then click enter. And once you have arrived to the website, you want to sign yourself in. So you want to go down to the right hand side where my mouse pointer is coming down. And it says sign in. You want to left click on that, and it asks me to sign in, so I'm going to click the first one. There are multiple accounts, so I have a drop down menu, and it will remember you as you sign back in and sign out at different times, and it will automatically populate. But let's sign in. I'm going to go click sign in. Okay, so we're in here, and what you want to do is you want to go up to the right hand side, and just where we click sign in before, we're going to come down and we're going to click account. So left click, wait for that to come up. And inside here, you want to click on Prime, View Benefits, Payment, and Settings. So that was not highlighted. I moved my mouse and now it's highlighted in gray. That's like a light gray. So left click on that. And in here, there's a problem with your Prime membership payment method. That's fine because I no longer need this. I have Prime USA and I have Prime Canada, so I'm just going to continue on with the one. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here on the left hand side. It says your name, hello Stephen Hickey, membership Prime, next payment on February 5th 2019. You will be charged $119 for a year of Prime. Preferred payment method, no payment method is linked to your Prime account. Edit payment method, and then below that you got payment history, and below that you got end membership and benefits. So you come down on the left hand side here. End membership and benefits is what we want to click on. So we're going to go left click, and then Stephen, you will lose your Prime benefit. Items tied to your Prime membership will be affected if you cancel your membership. By canceling, you'll no longer be eligible for your Prime exclusive offers. Click here to see your offers. Exclusive Prime benefits you will lose: free 2-day shipping, free same-day delivery in select cities, free 1-day shipping in select cities. Yes, well, that's fine with me. So we just want to end this. Otherwise, you could go here, you could click on Prime exclusives, and you could see exactly what they're showing you. Remind me later, cancel my benefits, keep my benefits, continue enjoying your shipping benefits, Prime Video, and many other benefits. Now, this whole video is intended to come in and cancel, and so we know how to do this. We're going to click on the cancel button, It says cancel my benefits. And so we're going to left click on that. Stephen, we're sorry to see you go. Please confirm cancellation of your membership. We'd like to offer you a chance to continue enjoying your Prime benefits. Remind me later, 3 days before membership renews. Keep my membership. You'll continue to enjoy all the benefits of Prime. View everything included in Prime. And then down the bottom it says cancel your Prime membership. And on February 5th, 2019, and that's what we want to do. We don't want a reminder. We don't want to keep membership. We want to cancel. So come over here and we're going to left click on end on February 5th, 2019. And then this is confirmation. Your membership will end on February 5th, 2019. After that date, you'll lose access to your benefits and your card will not be charged. Your Prime membership is expiring. Yes, we know that, on February 5th. So that's how easy it is to come in here and cancel your Prime membership. If you were unaware of how to do this, I've shown you how to do this. I hope this makes your day move more smoothly forward and allows you to learn something different. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology.